Hey everybody, it is Tova and thank you for joining me on this video where I'm going to walk you through our products so you can figure out which are the right products for you. I woke up this morning, and here on the West Coast we wake up when the East Coast is like 3/4 of the way through their day, so I always wake up to a ton of messages from people, and one of the messages was, what product should I buy? And I was like, I don't know. I don't know what product you should buy. And my instinct was to walk them through all of the products so they could figure out the right product that they should buy. And then I thought, why am I going to do this once for one person? Let me do it for all of you guys, because I know we've recently had a lot of new subscribers, new followers, new people just getting introduced to EarSeeds, at both us as a business and the health and wellness modality. Maybe you found us at the Goop event that we were at recently. Maybe your health and wellness practitioner introduced you to our products. Maybe you are a health and wellness practitioner who's seen our stuff around, seen it on your colleagues, and want to learn more about how this modality works, how it can help your patients, yourself, your practice, whoever you are. However you found us, we're happy to have you here. Before I get started, you might, if you've purchased from us before, recognize some of that artwork behind us. That is the stickers we love to send with our packages. And I'm going to turn this. So, hey guys, look up, you guys, say hi. It's Team EarSeeds over there assembling all your handmade Swarovski crystal EarSeeds. Linda in the shipping department. When you hear from us, when you see us pop up, whether it's in your newsfeed, at events, we're like actual people. We're not sitting in some warehouse somewhere far away. We're here in San Diego. Everything gets made by our wonderful team of people you see around us in this very room. To get started, when we first launched our business, we started with our condition-specific EarSeed kits. So these are our specific condition, EarSeed specific condition kits, right? And inside each one of these, we've got what you see here. It's 120 Vicari EarSeeds and a stainless steel tweezer to help you put them on, and an ear chart. This one is for stress. It's got 5 points with brief descriptions of what each of the specific ear points are good for. So most of our kits have between 5, some have as many as 8 points, like our weight loss kit, because in this kit you've got your 5 basics and then you've got 3 or 4 optional. So depending what it is that's going on and where the root cause is, or the things you struggle with, whether it's mood eating or water retention, there are specific points, and they're all outlined in the kit. So you don't have to use all of the points. Even in the stress kit, you don't have to use all of them. Sometimes 1 or 2 will sort of do the trick. All right, so our condition-specific kits. Now, what's the deal if you've got back pain and stress and insomnia, or you want to get it for your family, or you want to try it in your practice and you know you've got all sorts of conditions that come up? So you might be interested in our reference kit. So what you get inside of our reference kit is a whole bunch of goodies. So you get 600 of these Vicari EarSeeds, and I'll show you what these look like when they're on the skin in a couple of minutes. You get a tweezer, and you get the ring of cards. So on the ring of cards, you get a brief description of auriculotherapy as well as instructions on how to do it. And then you get charts for all of our main most common conditions. So there's the weight loss chart, the libido chart, the menopause chart, back pain, sciatica, insomnia, postpartum, which is great up to 2 years after you have a baby. It's good for like just getting your body back into balance, milk production, other things like that. What was that? Headaches, anxiety, focus and clarity, memory, stuff like that. Quit smoking, stress, depression, and there's a bonus chart with some body points. And that all comes lovingly packaged in a display box. So, what is the Vicari seed? So these are Vicarious seed ear seeds. They come on a little plastic tray with a little piece of this tan colored tape on the back. That's the color they are for now. We're working on it, but for now, that's what exists. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tweezers, and I hope you can see this. Let's get a good shot here. You're going to use the corner of the tweezer, there we go, to peel back the seed. So what happens is you've got this little piece of tape. Where's my camera there? This little piece of tape with this tiny Vicarious seed. The Vicaria itself is from a plant. It's a natural seed. You place it over the pressure point on the ear, and using your index finger, you press it in to place. That was aiming for a point called Shenmen. I didn't exactly get it because in the camera, everything's backwards. But that is basically all there is to it, finding the right point and sticking it in place. So these look like, you see a little piece of tan, like almost like a Band-Aid color. And it's as simple as that. Sometimes, like I said, if you're looking for a specific point outlined on the chart, you'll see a little vein or discoloration in that spot. That's usually a good sign that you've hit the right spot. And they don't really hurt. You could feel it. I mean, I can feel it. It sort of gives me like a little jolt or a tingle. Some people say that it hurts. And often if it hurts, it's because you've hit the right spot. So if you have an imbalance, say you've pulled your neck and you put ear seeds on the neck points, your ear might get red and throbby. It might actually hurt. This has happened to me, actually. It was one of the experiences that sort of converted me from skeptic to sort of skeptic to really to where I am now, where I'm like, dang. So normally my ear doesn't hurt in the neck area, but at that time when I had pulled my neck, I put ear seeds on my neck points. My whole ear got like red and throbby, and every time I squeezed my ear, though my ear hurt, I could literally feel like the pain in my neck unwinding a little bit, like loosening up. And we hear that a lot from people, whether it's for sciatic pain or lower back pain. It's like a loosening up, like that tight rigidness, you know, just kind of eases up a little bit. And over time, it can ease up even more and more over 24, 48 hours as you're wearing them. And as the pain in your body part goes away, your ear stops hurting too. It's crazy. It's true. So that is the basic Vicarious seed that comes in our condition-specific kits and in our multi-condition reference kit. Now, if you want the condition, but you would like a different aesthetic look for your ear seeds, we've got you covered there too. What we have for the most subtle, invisible look are our clear tape pellets. So we have these with a stainless steel pellet or a 24 karat gold plated pellet. So the stainless is known for its neutral and balancing properties in Chinese medicine, whereas the gold is known for its ability to sustain and restore harmony in the body. They look pretty subtle. So they would come on these little strips of paper, and on the very back, that's where you'll find the pellet. So instead of, oh, there we go. Instead of a Vicarious seed, it's this gold pellet. And what this one does, you would peel back the paper, and then using your tweezer, sort of come in there and peel up the ear seed, just like that. So you see it's like almost like a little piece of medical Scotch tape and that pellet on the back. And what you would do is stick it in place the same way you saw me do with my Vicarious seed, and that's what it looks like. Tiny little delicate gold ball. It's really pretty actually, and when you have a bunch of them on your ear, it kind of looks like some sort of jewelry. And again, you see this one is gold, the other one is stainless steel, so it looks like silver, very subtle, very pretty. If you're looking for a little more bling, and you know, I have a special relationship with sparkle. I really feel like it's like a way to share your inner light on the outside. So if you're feeling kind of crappy and you put on sparkle, put on something shiny and almost optimistic, it really helps bring your inner light to the surface. It's just my personal belief. I believe it strongly. You can get a box set of just like diamond colors, so there's 60 ear seeds plus a tweezer, or our rainbow chakra colors, which are gorgeous assortment of colors. Also, you get 60 in this plus a tweezer, 10 different colors. The chart inside of these boxes, it's a 3-point protocol for general stress, balance, well-being. If you wanted a more, if you're getting headaches, if you're getting insomnia, you'd want to pick up, you know, your stress kit plus your crystals, so you can sort of match up, put these crystals onto these points. But you do get the 3 basic points for general balance and well-being inside of these beautiful sets. And the way that these work, same as the others. So they're on the page, on the ear seed paper here. You pull, peel it off, place it, and press it into place. Now when you're wearing your ear seeds, you're going to want to press on them for a couple of seconds every few hours. If you're wearing them, say, for stress and you're like, ugh, and you're kind of gonna just go straight to it. Same thing if you're wearing it for cravings and like chocolate is like calling your name. There's the appetite control point. Literally press on it. It stimulates the point as you're pressing on it. They're gonna stay in place even with showering and bathing, swimming, whatever you do. The clear and the crystal will stay in place 2 to 4 days, depending where on the ear it is. Some people have worn them, I think the record I've heard was 2 months. Don't do that. Don't wear them more than a week. Your skin needs to rejuvenate. I know they're cute. You're not gonna wanna take them off if they stay, but take them off after about a week. And the vicarious seeds, generally we say they'll stay in place about 3 to 5 days. So again, some of them may stay way, way longer. Some of the things, the factors that contribute to how long it stays is where on the ear you put it. So if you're putting it on a curve or like a narrow edge where it has less to stick to, it might not stay on as long. Also inside the concha over here, in most people, the skin could be a little waxier, which will make it a little bit more difficult to stay. But places like Shenmen or the tranquilizer or places on the lobe, they really could stay for quite a while. So like we say, a week max. That is it for now. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, info@EarSeeds, and we look forward to getting to know you and helping you understand what an incredible modality this is. And that's it. I'm out. See you later. Bye.